Hello viewers, in this video we'll see how Test Teach with Blend Space can be used to create digital lessons. It works on the principle of creating a digital platform where we can share our resources and engage the students with the activities and finally monitor the students' understanding with quizzes and discussions. Sign up for a free account and login. In the dashboard, we'll see a pop-up to create our new digital lesson. This is the page where we create our digital lesson. Type your lesson title here. I'll write as image compression. These are the boxes or tiles where we can add our resource or even text and a quiz. We can find the resources from these options. And if we like those, we can drag it into a box. We have to give the search prompt here. I'll write as image compression. And then click on search. These are the resources which are free or paid. Click on any one, preview it, and then drag and drop into a box. We have three options here. This pencil to add a description. Write as complete document. And click on done. We have the plus sign here to add a tile or box before this. And then finally this sign to remove this resource. Now I'll search a YouTube video. These are all the resources. Drag and drop a resource into your box. We'll see searching Google Images. Now I'll change this search as JPEG. Drag a resource into your box. To insert web page, we have to paste the website link here, and then the resource will be presented, preview it, and then drag it into your box. If you want to add your own resources from Google Drive or from Dropbox, add your own account and then we can add our resource. To upload media or file, choose this file here and then drag and drop into a box. We'll see adding the quiz. Here we have to write the question. JPEG title is joint photo. Here we can write joint. These are the options. This dot represents the correct answer. If we want more, click on add answer. If we want more questions, click on add question and then click on done. We can rearrange them according to our own wish. I'll move this image first, then the YouTube video, then the document or notes, the activity, the website link, and finally the quiz. Click on play to view them. So here is your description and here we can add the discussion. Students can add their own comments. We can even print this digital lesson or share it using this option. The lesson link will be here. We can use it on different platforms or use this to embed on the website page. Thanks for watching.